I'm gone.
Hey, doorknob 351 waving.
Hey, 351. Ain't no doubt about it. I got you. I'm on old school stuff right now. I ain't got very much going. One of them old Robins right now. I hope it's doing all right. It ain't doing a whole lot. I got a little bitty kicker with it. Doorknob down here in Music City. Wait. Yeah, let me turn something on so you...
Well, the Nightcrawler just flipped the switch. He went to the high side there. Hey, doorknob, we get back with you, though. I did catch most of it, and man, you blowing smoke back this way, and it's good hearing you back in my receiver. We get back with you when we can. Your friend in Florida, waving back west.
Hey, for Roger, WW, we all sounding good around Indiana. Old Nightcrawler waving. Have a good evening if you got a copy. I'll get something else going if it's going to start rolling. 73's out there. Doorknob down here in Music City waving. I'm gone. Roger.
Yeah, doorknob, you gotta watch it, man. He keeps dropping them all. I had to wait till he got right back up on the key so I could do some talking. But we get back with you, doorknob. Yo, 351 waving and go.
And I'm back out. They'll set them corn plants on fire with that box now. I know you kill all corn plants within 500 foot. And I'm telling you, don't let them catch you on fire. We'll catch you later and have a good one. Well, you're the one setting them on fire up here. You setting them on fire. Yeah, we're in a drought up here. Supposed to get a little shower here the next day or two. We ain't had none in a couple months there. But, yeah, I gotta watch that old grass out there. It was set on fire. That's same where it is down here. We never been getting any rain. But I understand next week we might start getting a few showers. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a little bit, sure would. I don't think we're gonna get nothing, about an inch or a half inch or something up here. South of me, supposed to get a couple inches, but I'll take every drop I get, I guess. Music City sitting by. Yeah, I wouldn't want no flood, but a couple of inches right there over a couple of days would be all right. Man, I wouldn't want no flood like they've been having out west. Hey, for WW, game warden said a howdy doody right back to you down